great model, Amber Lee, and the goal is color correction to as light as possible. She says that her hair is a virgin. What do you think?
Hope so.
You hope so?
Yes.
We're about to find out. So how would you approach this?
So typically for hair this dark, I'd probably go in with doing a platinum card.
Yeah, how long would that normally take though? Probably all day. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I have this cool technique that I do called a wrapping technique, and it's gonna cut a lot of time off like the total appointment time. Would you be down to try it?
Yeah.
What it is we just start from the back. You take one side, I take the other side, and we're gonna apply about a 1/4 inch away from the root. Okay. And what we're doing is recreating a root touch-up. So the goal is to get the ends as light as possible, and then we hit the roots last. When we do that, we're gonna see if her hair is virgin. So a clean canvas is so important in this type of application because it's a color correction, and these clients normally want to be as light as possible. If we want a nice clean color at the end, the canvas has to be really, really clear and clean.
Just for fading out too, and like longevity and how everything's gonna look once that toner and that color fades.
All right, isn't this super fast?
Yeah, this is like way faster. It's crazy.
Yeah, so what we're doing is just like recreating the root touch up. So like when she's light enough, all I have to do is hit the roots. Cool.
Dang, that's
Right?
lifting.
Yeah. First, application time was super quick.
Right.
And then these hairs that are right here are just kind of floating and not getting any heat to process it. So what we're gonna do is bring this all the way up to the top so the body heat can radiate and process the entire shaft of the hair. Around and close it off. See, so what that does is traps in all the heat from her head, right? And I take a processing cap. All that heat is just gonna radiate and like process that. And then we will find out if she has full virgin hair, because when we take this off, it should be all clean. It's been about 20 minutes and we're gonna go ahead and pull it out. Dang, that's pretty good.
So light.
Yeah, she's super light. Yeah, so the first round, what we're looking for is just kind of inconsistencies. So I think we're doing pretty good for the first round. It's only been 20 minutes. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna rinse off this lightener, get the hair clean again, and do a second application. So now that we've shampooed out the first round of lightener, dude, she's light.
Yeah.
Yeah?
So good.
Impressed? Super even lift. And now we're gonna go in and do the second round. Yeah, so what's cool about BLONDME is that you can lighten multiple times and it still stays together.
Since we were trying to get more of like a beigey blonde, we used the BLONDME toners, and we did 50 grams of sand, 50 grams of ice, 5 grams of nougat, and then we mixed in the BLONDME 7 volume, and we mixed that 1-to-1.
Amazing. Yes. I love how it looks.
Me too.
It's like super cool and
yes.
like kind of warm in a way.
Yes.
Yeah. It cancels out all the yellow too. And the hair feels super strong.